Hello everyone, I am Felicia S. Valladores. Today, I'm going to cook a red sauce pasta. So here's our ingredients. First is elbow macaroni. Second is ham, tuna, cream, an Italian tomato sauce, our butter, tomato, garlic, onion, salt, and black pepper. I'm going to boil this elbow macaroni. As the pasta starts to cook, use tongs to stir it. Check the pasta when it's already to cook. So it's almost to cook. Drain the pasta in the colander. Step 2. Make the pasta sauce. For a red sauce pasta, we need Italian red sauce, butter, cream, tomato, salt, garlic, onion, and black pepper. This is the butter. Let's melt it. Second is garlic. Then onion. Let's stir it. When the garlic is nearly brown, let's put our tomato. Then add the ham. Stir it. Then add the tuna. So let's stir it. Then cover it. Then add our tomato sauce. let's stir it. So let's taste it if it is cooked. It's so delicious. Then add the elbow macaroni. So let's stir it. Continuous mixing until all the ingredients is well combined. So it's already cooked. Let's pour it in